Hello and welcome to 3D Craft. In this video we have a plastic part and it's not broken. Actually this one I was printed out some weeks ago for a customer and as you can see this shaft fits into this plastic part. What I do, I grind this part of shaft, grind it out and make it look like D, and I will redesign this part to make it solid. I mean, when you put the shaft inside here, uh, it's locking inside. So let's jump to the Solidworks to design this. Okay, we are in Solidworks. Let's start the sketch. Select part, then sketch, front plane, and we are going to sketch something like this. Something like this. Let's define the size. The distance between these two lines is 4 millimeter. Also this two line is 13.9 millimeter. And this two line 1.5 millimeter. This line also 1.5 millimeter. Millimeter, and I think we are done with the sketch. So let's go to the future, revolve bus, and axis of revolution. We can choose this line. Hit OK. So continue the sketch. Select this face, go to sketch, new sketch, and we are going to draw a polygon. And the size of the polygon is 15.5. Millimeter, and the height of the polygon is 24.8 millimeter. Hit OK. Next, select this face, sketch, new sketch, and draw another polygon. And we are going to extrude it about 2 millimeter exactly. Then rotate the sketch and select this face, Ctrl 8, and draw a circle. Sketch, new sketch, draw a circle. At the center, and the size of this circle is 11.8 millimeter. Then draw another circle, and also the size of the circle is 8 millimeter. We need to extrude this sketch. Extrude this sketch about 2 millimeter. And first we need to erase this line, then go to Future, select this two, circle, and 2 millimeter extruded. Then select this face and draw a line. Then draw a center line, and the distance between these two lines is gonna be 6.7 millimeter. Let's make it 6.75 to ensure that our shaft fits into this hole easily and freely. So next thing we are going to do is to shape an arc like this, and go to the Future, extrude cut, and extrude about 28.8 millimeter inside. I'm sorry, 24.8 millimeter inside. And also we can extrude this part outside. Go to Sketch, New Sketch, draw a 3-point arc, then a line, go to Extrude Cut, and extrude about 2 millimeter. We can have some fillets on top side. Choose this face, go and choose fillet, then 2 millimeter. Okay. Now the file is ready. We are going to save it, save as, and let me find the folder. And also this piece is belong to a blender, so I name it blender. Let's do this again, save as, and a still file this time. Okay, we have a still file. Let's go to the Bamboo Studio, prepare, add, and select the folder, select the still file, and I think I'm gonna print it this way. Select auto, and also select generic PETG, 0.2 millimeter layer lines, and 0.2 millimeter layer heights, and enable support, and let's go to slice, change it to line type, and as you can see we have the G code. So let's send this G code to our 3D printer and I will show you the result. Okay, the print is done, and this section has some supports. Also this one has some support. It's print with PETG. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Also you can watch my last videos, one of these. So thank you for watching.